She is listening to the teacher. She is listening to the teacher. I am writing in my diary. I am writing in my diary. We are playing in the park. We are playing in the park. He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. They are drinking water. They are drinking water. I like to watch cartoons. I like to watch cartoons. She is running in the garden. She is running in the garden. We are cooking dinner. We are cooking dinner. He is fixing his computer. He is fixing his computer. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. They are listening to music. They are listening to music. She is drawing a flower. She is drawing a flower. We are reading a book. We are reading a book. He is washing the car. He is washing the car. I like to play football. I like to play football. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. We're going to the library. We're going to the library. He is sitting on the chair. He is sitting on the chair. They are writing letters. They are writing letters. I am learning new words. I am learning new words.